Abby are going to go for a run, and yeah, it's 10 o'clock, and I hope you guys have a great day.
With Brett, and he was teaching us how when you go outdoors you can wash your hands naturally without, if you don't have water. So you just find a bunch of bushes or leaves that have a lot of dew or water on them, and you wash your hands on it. Done! Obviously you want to be careful on what leaves you touch. I just got myself, but of course be careful of poison ivy and such, and yeah. Be nice to leaves and nature and everything. Oh yeah, it's raining a little bit more now, and there were people cutting the grass, and it smells like grass and nature, and it smells yummy. I just also wanted to wish Crystal much good luck today because it's her first day of training for this drama thing she's doing.
Hey. Start working.
Hi.
A, B, C, D, A, F, H, E.
That's enough! Oh my god, you sound... No, that's enough! That's enough!
I'm going to the store right now to pick up wax strips because Abby wants to wax my legs. Go for it. And it's raining and it's kind of coolish, so it's nice wearing a sweatshirt right now. It's not humid or anything. So yeah, how's your guys' day? So Abby's gonna teach me something in Portuguese. Take it away.
Well, what do you want to know?
Say, my name is MC.
Chama-me MC.
Can you repeat that?
Chama-me MC.
Chama-me.
Chama-me
Chamou-me
MC.
MC. Chamou-me MC. Okay, say I like... Sorry. Say I am vegetarian.
Eu sou...
Eu sou...
I don't know how to say vegetarian.
Vegetarian. How do you say it?
Oh, eu não como carne.
Eu não como carne.
Como carne.
Como carne. Como
carne.
Oh, como carne.
Eu não
como
carne.
Slayed it, guys. Practically fluent.
Now say it fast.
Eu não como carne.
Como carne. Eu não como carne.
Eu não como carne.
Eu não como carne.
Eu não como carne.
So, we just got to my house. And I'm just helping me move all of these mugs and cups and other things.
And they're all full of tea.
Full of tea.
And what did we just buy? Milk tea.
And also some more tea at the supermarket. I have a little bit of a problem.
We kind of like tea.
How were you saying it earlier?
Oh, wait. What a liking to tea.
Yes.
You ready to wax my legs?
It's on the floor.
Why?
Are you ready?
I am ready, Freddy. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh! Yes. Ready?
Mm-hmm. Good evening, my children. Sorry I didn't vlog at all today, like anything, because I was in a hurry this morning. I woke up at 6:45 and then I ran out the door, just took a shower, ran out the door because I had my training today and I didn't want to be late. Funny story, I ended up not knowing which exit to go to meet this lady, so I kind of was late and I made them late too, which was horrible. But we bonded and everything, and it, you know, really great. I've done so many cool things. I went to a rooftop bar, which was so amazing. Oh my god, MC, we need to go. I loved it so much. And yeah, I've done some really exciting things today. And so basically, now that, you know, everything's settled and I really think I'm gonna you know, take this job and stuff, and do this. What I do is I'm a drama teacher, and I teach for Helen O'Grady Drama Academy, and yeah, and currently I'm doing the training because they have a patented curriculum that I need to know inside and out, and like yeah, so exciting stuff. I'm just really happy. A lot of things are happening for me and really great, and I've had a really good day, and that is all I have to say about that. I hope your day was just as great as mine, and that you're learning things every day, because that's what makes life interesting, and you're doing things that push your boundaries and go against your comfort zone, because that's what you're gonna look back on and be like, that was exciting.